Alright, I'm going to show you guys how I made this textured CNC tile. First thing I like to do is jump into Fusion 360. I started with a sketch. Grabbed the rectangle tool, centered it, and set my size to 200 by 400 millimeters. I created a sketch on top of this part. I started by grabbing the line tool, started making lines just to figure out the shapes of how I want my tile to look. You can do this any way, any style. After finishing the sketch, I extruded each line 3 millimeters. I angled them upwards until they blended smoothly. You do this one at a time. Next, I jump into the manufacturer, created a setup. I set my origin at the bottom left. Select the body. Hit OK. For the first toolpath, I like to do a 3D parallel with a 6 millimeter ball nose. That's the bit I'll be using. I set my feet at 1200 millimeters per minute. And for the selection tab, I just select silhouette. In the last tab, I always set retraction policy to shortest path to keep things efficient. Alright, so next thing we got to do is put a 2D contour. So that's going to basically cut the part out. Tool, which is basically going to be a 6 millimeter flat end. I'm going to go to the selection tab and we're going to select the outer perimeter of this from the bottom. We can now go over to the passes and we can select multiple passes. I'm going to be doing this at a 2 millimeter. And then the last tab, we're going to be checking the box keep tool down. After that, I post-processed the toolpath and ran it on my CNC. And that's it. Super clean texture, minimal sanding. If you like CNC builds like this, hit the like and subscribe.